Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna tell you I made some profits. Yesterday I told you to take a long positions, but I made 214 15% of my capital gain. So I just take a long position 50x in enterprise at 1597, okay, and I just close my position at last price 1669, like 70, okay, 70. And you can just think like I just take enterprise below 1600, and I just sell, okay, 1670, okay. I just made that 1214 15%, okay, and we can just tell 15%. And right now I'm gonna tell you where the market will go in the future forecasting is live, guys. So we are right now currently trading in 4 hour time frame. We can see 1671, like we are gonna see again some bull up to 1700. Yeah, I think 1700 will be ideal point to short, okay. So we are gonna see a bitcoin chart. Bitcoin also we see something like we will see dump and again up, but here is support and resistance. Yesterday we just broke above our resistance, so we just went to I will show you like in a 1 hour time frame, okay guys. In 1 hour time frame we just see 1960 19,634 was like a resistant, yeah, and we are just holding above that, but we just broke 20,100, yeah, our resistance. So right now we are at 19,942. So so guys, if I made 200% profit in one day, then tomorrow also you can make. So for I'm gonna give you future forecast so that tomorrow you can make some profit. So for today there is no any position that you want to trade, but I think you must do long, okay, but not with that much leverage. I only take with 20 to 25 25x leverage, okay. There is we're gonna see again we are gonna see again Bitcoin will just reach like 20,500 again, yeah, again, guys. We are right now the position is like we have to buy, yeah, buying position, and 20,500 if we touch that, then again Bitcoin will come down, you can see, yeah, okay. Right now I'm going to show you in crypto quant exchange reserve, okay, highly increased, higher selling pressure, because yesterday we already see a tremendous growth here. Exchange net flow is like 7-day average, last 7 day lower, okay. We are lower, yeah, in 7 day we are lower, okay, even so we will break, okay. Lower doesn't mean that we are gonna take short position right now, because higher selling pressure has just started right now, so it will take some time. So in we'll see long, okay. Minus position is like moderate, okay. Exchange net flow is in negative. So guys, we'll see only some pump, like 100% pump. If you take like 50x, okay, 100% pump, but we'll see dump, okay, in a larger time frame. But in shorter time frame we are gonna be in bull for only 4 to 12-hour time frame, moderately selling, and this will be increased when we will see a pump in Bitcoin. Then all future positions will be in short, okay. So guys, we see Coinbase premium sentiment, we are in negative, yeah, Korean Korean retail investor buying pressure is relatively strong. So we are in a capitulation. Okay guys, we see up and down because US market has like selling pressure. We see higher selling pressure, that is in US, but we see buying pressure in Korea. So yeah, we see a pump and dump now. Okay, we can see yesterday's liquidation. Yeah, yesterday's liquidation was like if anyone was in short, then the red candle here you see, yeah, they just pick out and just made them liquidate. Okay, so yesterday I have shown you, yesterday I have made like 214%. So guys, you should enjoy and looking at my videos, and you can trade. Okay guys, looking at my video you can trade. So for today I'm gonna give you some news update and on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Today Ethereum hard fork has already been started, so US market is right now in good condition. Yeah, Bitcoin is also in a good condition. I have already told you future forecasting Ethereum. Yeah, and DXY index, we see down in DXY index, so Bitcoin get up. But I'm gonna give you some I'm gonna release some dates that you should never forget within this month. Okay, September 15 is gonna be a merge day in Ethereum merge day. Okay, then at that point, like within 1 hour and 2 hours, we'll see a tremendous up. Okay, like Bitcoin will touch I think 20,500 will be the ideal point when we will take a long position. Okay, this is not for today, this is for tomorrow, like September 6. Today is September 6, so September 7, September 8, you can do like I'm just future forecasting, so you will catch up. Okay, this one later. Okay, September 15 is merge day. Today September 6, 7. Okay, 6, yeah, today is a big Ethereum merge day. So in merge Ethereum fork day, okay, we see a Bitcoin rally, but in merge day we will see a dump. But within 1 hour time frame we will see pump, because that is new Ethereum and investors are looking for new Ethereum. Yeah, the US market will just increase their reserve. Okay, Korea also, in India, yeah, Coinbase, yeah, WazirX, there are, but we see up and down. So you guys have to check it out, and I have already released you all the dates, so just confirm it and don't forget it to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon, so that you will never